What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got the Ice Cream Beauty bag and box spoilers for the month of April. So there was like a little bit of confusion with March. I wasn't able to get these spoilers because she didn't receive my message, but she got my message this month. I got the spoilers and I can't wait to share them with you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the Ice Cream Beauty bag. And if you know, you know, I'm gonna start off with the star of the show. That's always the eyeshadow palette for me. So this month's bag is all about the eyes. And the first item you're gonna be receiving in the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be Like a Boss eyeshadow palette from Trend Beauty. This is a really nice eyeshadow palette. Can we say spring? Hello. Look at all the peaches and pinks in this eyeshadow palette. And this is also an 18 pan eyeshadow palette. So awesome for the bag. Really nice size eyeshadow palette. Again, beautiful for springtime. So the second spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be a product from Bella Pierre. I personally love Bella Pierre products. I think they're really good. This is going to be the 1999 4-color eyeshadow palette. Beautiful shades of purple in here. That will actually go so nicely with the Trend Beauty palette because the pinks and the purples look beautiful together for springtime. And the third and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty bag is going to be a product from Rachel Couture. Now this is going to be an eye trio, which is really nice. So you're going to get a pencil eyeliner, you're going to get a liquid eyeliner, and you're going to get a mascara in here. So that is so nice. 3 products in one. So really altogether you're getting 6 total products in the bag and you cannot beat that. I believe the bag is $12.50 a month plus shipping, so it's like 17 bucks for the bag. Amazing deal. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the Ice Cream Beauty box spoilers. And of course, you already know, starting off with the star of the show, this month you're going to be receiving an Ofra palette. Like, how amazing is that? This is the Good to Go palette from Ofra, and it looks like you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows, a blush, a bronzer, and then a beautiful highlighter in the center. And it looks like it has 4 different shades to the highlighter. So beautiful. I mean, killing it with the Ofra products. You can't be hating on some Ofra products in your box now. Second spoiler is going to be a product from Chano Beauty. I love Chano Beauty. Their products are really good as well. This is the Duochrome Duo. I love that. This is an exclusive product. And it looks like that's either like a pinky orange and a purple. I love that. So cute. Again, Chano Beauty is a really good company. Those eyeshadows are going to be stunning. Okay, for the third spoiler, it's going to be a product from Charmy Global. Now, I love Charmy as well. Again, a very great company. I love all of their products that I've tried. And we have gotten a few products from Charmy and Chano Beauty in the Ice Cream Beauty box. So this is going to be their liquid multi-chrome shadows, and there is 2 different shades that you could be getting. You're going to be receiving one or the other. One is going to shift from like a blue to a green to a yellow to an orange, which is again beautiful for springtime. The next one is going to be more of your blue, purple to pink to cream color. I love that one. That one is so pretty. Either one of those is going to be absolutely gorgeous. For the fourth spoiler, that's going to be a product from Beauty for Certain. Now, this is going to be their matte liquid lip. I absolutely love their liquid lips. I think they're so good. I actually have a lip gloss from them as well. Again, so good. Now, there is 6 different shades. You're going to be receiving 1 of the 6 shades. And then for your 5th and final spoiler for the Ice Cream Beauty box, it's going to be an either or product. So you're either going to get an eyeliner marker or you're going to get a lip gloss topper. So that is going to be your traditional black. It looks like a felt tip eyeliner and then a clear gloss. So either option is really good. Again, amazing box this month. I mean, with that Ofra palette, wow, amazing job. This box is definitely worth the $25. But as always, let me know, what are you most excited for out of this box? I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!